Today with In the Kitchen with Grace, we are going to make a really quick, simple pie crust. This crust recipe is actually, I'm using it to make hand pies, meat hand pies today for dinner tonight. But I wanted to share this recipe with you because it's super quick and easy and you can use it for pretty much anything. We are going to start with 1.5 cups of flour. And I'm using my 1/2 cup measuring cup here. There's half, there's 1, and there's another half. So we got 1.5 cups there. You want to have a pinch of white sugar. So just a little pinch. You need about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. Get out your measuring spoons though if you're not used to eyeballing your measurements. And then we want about 5 tablespoons of ice water. And I have a little bit more than that in here in case I need just a little bit more. And you want 8 tablespoons of butter. You can actually hear behind me on the stove, I have the meat for my hand pies sizzling, and oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and dump my butter in. Now, you want to have your butter be cold. Mine was really hard though, so I did soften it up just a little bit. It's totally okay. And we're gonna mix this together. I'm starting with the butter before I add my water. I'll just mix this in. I'm not adding all of it. You want about 5 tablespoons of water. But I always like to have a little bit extra on hand just in case. Kind of really want to cut that butter in there. It's going to crumble first, and then it will come together into a big ball for you. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little sprinkle more water. Sprinkle the flour around for rolling out the dough. Get it on your hands, baking tips. Keeps the dough from sticking to you. All right, we're gonna press her down. If your dough is a little bit crumbly, you just got to work it a little bit more.